Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to transfer files with using AirDrop on your Mac Mini. So right here I have a file what I want to transfer. Just click with a right button on the mouse and then share. Click on AirDrop, and now you should enable AirDrop on your iPhone or iPad or another Mac. So I'm just enable it, and right here I have it, so just click. Now click accept on your device and it will sharing. And I have it right now on my phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.